This is a super simple, quick meal that you can make on any given day when you ain't got the time, girl. Now you can add a lot of things to it and make it your own, but this is the quickest way to get it done and the easiest. We're gonna make a 1 skillet Spanish chicken and rice. Now for your ingredients, of course, you're gonna need some chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. You're gonna need some chicken broth, about a cup of white rice, and then you're gonna need some olive oil. I'm using some onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, smoked paprika, chili powder, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. I know that sounds weird, but just a little bit of Italian seasoning. For garnish, we have some lemon, some lime, and some cilantro. So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna take that chicken and we're gonna pour in our olive oil and we're gonna coat our chicken really well. And then we're gonna go ahead and add about half of our seasoning. And then we're gonna coat our chicken in that seasoning. You wanna get it nice and even. If you have time, you can let this marinate. So next we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna take a hot skillet, we're gonna add in some olive oil. And then we're gonna brown our chicken on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on the size of your thighs. It depends on the size of your thighs. If you have some thick thighs, girls, you might have to let them cook a little bit longer. Just give it an extra minute, so about 3 or 4 minutes. And once you brown it, you're gonna go ahead and set it to the side. Now you can use the same skillet if you haven't burnt it up, but you know me, I always burn up my skillet when I'm just browning my meat. I don't know what it is. So I went ahead and cleaned out my skillet, and I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm gonna add in that rice, and then I'm gonna let my rice get nice and toasty. Next, I'm gonna add in the rest of that seasoning, and I'm gonna let it toast up just for a few seconds. Not long, just for a few seconds to let all the paprika and the chili pepper kind of warm up and get nice and toasty. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our chicken broth. Now, like I said, if you have the time, you can mince up some fresh garlic. You can chop up some fresh onions and add it in here. Add whatever you want. You know, this is just the base recipe, the quick and easy version. And then we're gonna go ahead and sit our chicken on top of the rice. We're gonna pop a lid on it and we're gonna let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And that's it, girl. That is it. Super quick and easy. When your chicken's done, when everything is done, take your chicken out, fluff your rice, sit your chicken back on, garnish it with a little bit of cilantro and lemon and lime wedges. Quick, easy, delicious, 1 skillet. What else can I say? Yum.